No,
stop.
no, we're not doing this.
No,
No,
stop.
we're not doing
No,
this. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
No.
We're not doing this. Take this off.
No,
I'm not gonna do this
don't
with you.
touch.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
No,
I'm not gonna do this.
don't touch.
Stop.
Don't touch. Don't touch, please. Don't touch, please.
On March 28, 2026, officers detained a woman on suspicion of retail theft tied to a prior incident. The stop followed loss prevention staff, recognizing her from an earlier theft during her return visit.
Oh, hello, ma'am. We need to talk to you. Okay. I need you to come with me. No, we need you to come in the office, okay?
Yeah, leave the car. Leave the car. Give it to him. Yep. Go in the office, please.
Okay. I need you to have a seat back here for me. Okay. No, have a seat for me in the back.
The back?
No, have
You
a
just
seat.
sit down.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Yeah. Do you have an ID on you?
ID?
Yeah, or driver's license, something.
What you need? What you need?
I need your ID.
You're being stopped with a suspicion of retail theft.
What?
Possible retail theft.
They have your
What you
receipt.
need?
That's all I need.
What?
That's all I need for right now. Just your ID, okay? Do you understand English pretty well or no?
No English.
No English?
No.
Just a little bit?
A little bit.
Okay. So you're being stopped right now. You're technically detained, which means you're not free to leave. Okay? For a suspicion of retail theft. Do you know what that means? Like when you steal from a store? When you take something without paying?
No.
Okay, because there was a couple things on the video there.
No.
Okay.
No understand.
Bad. You don't understand? Okay.
No.
See, I'm trying to get you trying to see how I can make you understand. What language do you speak? Like, what's your name?
Arabic.
Huh?
Arabic, yeah.
Arabic?
What Arabic?
Okay, hold on.
No understand with me. No, I'm not Arabic. What you need? I don't know, in the story, on the receipt.
Yeah, 1 second.
Sirqi?
Yeah.
On the receipt.
Hold on.
She say me in the 8 Mars, me in Chicago, not in here. She say coming in here. No. She say wallah, me in Chicago in 8 Mars, not in here. Coming in here in Eid Mubarak in my brother.
Okay.
No, in here me in Chicago.
Okay, well, we'll talk about it here in a second, okay?
She say my Ramadan in Chicago, not here.
Okay, hold on.
I said, okay, I need to talk in brother. She say, no me, look in receipt, look in the story, only think at this thing. 1 minute. She say, I need it's okay, yeah.
Okay, so just take a seat here.
Yeah, well, I need the manager. I need
Okay.
the manager. She say, no, 1 minute.
Well, that's the only reason why we're here.
She say, crazy.
Okay, well, just take a
Stop.
seat. Okay, just
No.
take a seat. Like I said, okay? And we'll
1
figure this
minute.
out.
No, 1
We'll figure
minute.
this out. She's saying she wasn't here. She was in Chicago.
That's not true. I've got her license plate if we need to confirm it. It's the same car she pulled up in today.
Wow. Ma'am,
1 minute. Look.
is that your car?
No.
That's not your car. Can you go back to the picture of her?
It's also the same
Me?
clothes she was
Yeah.
wearing.
We go back to
me. In Hizban. This is the car in Hizban.
So that's not you?
Look.
Look at the date. 3/8/26.
No, not in here, in Chicago. No, in the first. And she said,
the
my
same
Arabic.
verse, too.
Yeah.
1 minute in Arabic, me everything in my Arabic. نفس
Okay.
That's
t-shirt,
you,
in t-shirt, in hijab. My sister, look.
You're wearing.
One minute.
Okay, we're not
1
gonna.
minute.
Okay, listen, we're not
No,
gonna
no,
argue
1
this.
minute.
No,
Stop.
no, we're not
No,
doing this.
no,
No,
stop.
we're not doing
No, I
this. Turn
need-
around, put your hands behind your back.
No.
We're not doing this. Take this off.
No,
I'm not gonna do this
don't
with you.
touch.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
No,
I'm not gonna do this.
Don't touch.
Stop.
Don't touch. Don't touch, please. Don't touch, please. 1 minute.
No, we don't got 1 minute right
1
now.
minute. 1 minute. I need to talk in brother. 1 minute. 1 minute.
You can talk to him from the counter. You can call him all you want over
My
there.
baby. Me and baby in the home. I need to talk.
I'm pretty sure you're not gonna leave him out there by himself. So let
1
you make phone
minute.
calls out
1
there.
minute.
Come on, I'll take you out to my car.
1 minute. No,
Come on.
1 minute. I need to
Do you,
inform
do you,
you. 1
want
minute.
do you want another charge for
Stop.
resisting?
I need to talk
Do you
in
want another
brother.
charge for resisting?
What?
Do you want to get charged for resisting?
I don't
Then just
understand.
cooperate.
Understand.
Just cooperate. I'm gonna walk you out to my car.
What?
I'm gonna walk you out to my car. Okay? We're gonna talk out there.
No understand. I need talk. I need talk in the brother. Come in the brother. No me. No me. على أي أساس أنتوا بتوقفوني؟ stop. No me. She say والله no me. والله no me. In my sister in نفس in dress and نفس in the hair نفس in the shawl. Stop. Don't touch. Don't touch. Please don't touch.
Stop.
Don't touch. Don't touch. No. No.
Do you want to
stop.
come or not?
Okay.
I will force you out. I will force you out. You're not gonna make me no.
What?
No.
No.
No, it's not what you want.
Wallah.
I don't care. Let's go.
In Palestine.
Let's go.
1 minute. 1 minute, please. Please. 1 minute. You need money? I need. She say, Wallah, no me. Who say, Wallah, no me? Coming in Palestine, in Chicago, no, in here.
Oh, there you are. There we go.
You trying to fight?
No, in
Well, come on, let's go.
She say, no,
Come on,
please.
ma'am, please. You're gonna make
Get
it
out.
out.
No.
Ma'am.
You're gonna pick up charges. Get out.
Okay, I need to talk in brother. I need to talk in brother.
No, we're not doing that right now. I told you no.
I need to talk in brother, please. No in number. No in.
Take a seat.
In
No, I haven't
number.
checked her yet.
You got anything on you?
No, in the car. I need to talk in brother.
You don't need to talk to anybody right now. Alright, listen.
So she was saying that she wasn't here, that she was in Chicago. It's like, hey, do you remember being here? Marsha? She goes, no, I was in Chicago, something about Ramadan, whatever. So dude had like the video up of her car, like, wait, is that your car? She was like, no, it's not my car. It's like, he was like, dude, that's the same car she walked in with. Then he pulled up a whole picture of her with the same outfit. And I was like, so that's not you? She said, no, that's not me. Okay, I'm not fucking doing this with you, dog. I'm not. Her purse is in there, her wallet, and her phone. I had to take it away from her. Because I was like, we're not doing this with you. And then she kind of tried to like resist a little bit, but I'm not going to charge her. She doesn't understand. I'm going to try to read her rights.
Okay.
See if she wants to talk. Probably won't.
Retail theft over, and is this under or over?
18 and 14, enter to Tilted 10 at the mall by the bowling alley.
You'll be able to call them from Peoria County. You'll be able to call them from Peoria County.
Please, 1 minute in my husband, please. No, close the door.
No, I'm going to talk to you out there so you can hear me better. Because no, it's not going to be the way you want it, okay? It's not going to be the way you want it, okay? Okay. How well is your English?
Me in English?
Yeah, how well is it?
In English? No, speak in English.
Okay, so here's the thing. Okay, we're going to use Google Translate, okay?
Yeah.
All right, give me 1 second.
She say, Wallah, no me. Wallah, say me. No. She say, in bag, in a receipt with me, and in story with me. Wait, why? What?
Okay, I'll explain it to you, okay? Well, this is how we do things, okay?
What you need?
So, you have the right to remain silent.
With
Okay,
me
hold on.
look in
Do you want to do this, yes or no?
1 minute, 1 minute.
No, we need to do this now. There is no 1 minute. We need to do this. Can I do this now?
1 minute,
No,
please.
okay, I'm done.
Me in
No,
the
no,
doctor.
it's fine.
Did you tell her I needed to take a picture or two?
Oh,
That trespass is also lifelong. It won't be able to be taken away.
okay. You go.
No, in picture. No, with me in picture. No.
Okay, well they have you
No, I
video.
need picture. No.
She doesn't want to do the picture.
Say, no, I need picture. No.
No picture?
No
Sure.
picture.
That's fine. We got pictures.
She's my
from
Muslim.
her.
No
That's
picture.
Okay.
Do you know what a trespass is?
No understand.
Okay, I bet.
What you need?
A trespass? Do you know what a trespass is?
No. No understand.
Hold on. I'm gonna give her the Google definition. I want to get this wrong.
No. Look in a receipt. No. Anything. Money. Me in go in Palestine. Not coming in America. Me?
Mhm.
Why?
You didn't want to talk. You didn't want to let me read your Miranda warning. So
Why?
I tried to explain that to you, but you wouldn't let me. So that's the reason. Okay. You need anything else for her?
Nope.
No. Okay. I already explained her. She's being arrested for 2 separate incidents of retail theft. So what was the other one? You guys have the receipt for that one?
The old one or this one?
This one.
This one,
The one was 420.80. And it was, what was it? Just merchandise?
Yeah.
I'll just do
Basically clothing.
merchandise.
Okay, so this one's going to be 2 separate receipts because the tomatoes had to be rung up separately. So one of them is 142.92.
So
Okay, and how much?
second one is 142.92
Plus 749.
plus 749.
Today, 749.
Well, no, 142 plus the 749.
Oh, so under today.
So retail theft under and retail theft over.
So I could just add it up and then we don't have to like have it separate.
Oh, you know what? I'm wrong. I took the wrong total. You stole from Walmart.
Oh,
You
come here.
understand that?
No, she said.
You take from Walmart, not paying it.
You want to show her this? Hopefully I said that right. They're going to refund her money back. That's what she paid for today.
Yeah.
Okay.
You understand this?
You need money?
I don't need money. But you understand this?
They're going to refund you your money. Like, give you money back.
You need money? No, it's okay.
No. Okay. See, I was told her I would try to read her Miranda warning and stuff, but she wouldn't.
She's saying, do we need money?
No,
And I was like, no, we
no.
don't need money.
If,
Transporting also you?
yeah, I'll transport her.
On the receipt, it shows 93.16. I gave her 93.20.
Okay.
So just
Okay.
for reference. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
To the Pure County Jail.
Yeah.
Because that's where we take criminals.
What?
That's where we take people that are under arrest. I'm sorry, because you're innocent until proven guilty, so I can't really call her a criminal. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's where we take people that that we have probable cause to make an arrest that need to be incarcerated.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's too big of.
I don't know how to say it.
You jail. Cool. I just kind of explained to her. We watched her on the camera as she stole, skip scan.
Okay.
Getting arrested and going to jail. Right.
10 around your post for the female.
16, starting mileage 243.
13. 13.
That's about it. She supposedly doesn't understand English, but whatever.
Does she understand?
Arabic. Well, she stole back in March $420 worth of stuff from Walmart, and today she tried to walk up with like $130 worth of stuff. They recognized her from last time, so they called us.
My Muslim.
What's that?
Yeah, no. She said haram.
She can't do that because she's Muslim. She has to have that
touch.
on.
I need women, no man. No man.
If
I
you
need
didn't want
woman.
me touching you, you
my
shouldn't have
Muslim.
shoplifted.
Don't
You
touch.
understand me?
Just
Yes,
yeah.
me, my Muslim.
I understand.
You.
I'm treating you the same way that I do everybody else.
No, I need you.
Ma'am, just relax. Just relax.
Okay, then don't shoplift.
No, me, my Muslim. This is haram. Don't touch, please. I need no woman.
There's women in there, but here, police, no. But we have to search you though. Make sure you don't have nothing else.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I need in
She wants the hoodie on because of her religion. She has to have her hair covered.
They're gonna have you take it off anyway. Have a seat right here, please.
I got you. I'm right here.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Once told she was not free to leave, this became a Terry stop, requiring reasonable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion rested on surveillance video, a matching license plate, and matching clothing photos. That layered evidence typically satisfies probable cause for a warrantless theft arrest under Fourth Amendment doctrine. When she refused handcuffing, officers used hands-on force, measured against Graham v. Connor's objective standard. Graham weighs offense severity, immediate threat, and active resistance. Retail theft scores low on all three. Her resistance was passive, pulling away rather than striking, narrowing the force considered reasonable. Officers attempted a Miranda warning through a phone translation app instead of a certified interpreter. Miranda requires a knowing, intelligent, voluntary waiver, a standard this method likely fails to meet. Any statements obtained afterward would face a strong suppression challenge on Fifth Amendment grounds. She repeatedly cited her faith to object to being touched or searched by a male officer, invoking haram. Agency policy typically requires same-sex searches when practicable, implicating First and 14th Amendment protections. The footage never confirms whether a female officer was made available, leaving that compliance question open. A permanent trespass notice was also issued, a civil consequence separate from any criminal charge. Grading. The officer earns a C+, sound probable cause and restrained force undercut by the Miranda process. Grading. The subject earns a C-, valid religious objections, weakened by resisting a lawful detention. Lesson for officers: use certified interpreters, never translation apps, before any Miranda advisement. Lesson for citizens: state objections clearly and comply physically. Resistance rarely helps your legal position. Lesson for agencies: document and consistently apply same-sex search protocols, not just assume compliance. Case outcome remains unconfirmed. Share verifiable details below, and thank you for watching.